Hey guys, on this video I'm going to demonstrate two new features we just released on Importify. The first one is the ability to import extended product description from your supplier page, and the second one is the ability to import an explainer video from your supplier page directly to your product page. Please note that video importing is available for premium users only. At the end of this video, I will also show you how to improve your conversions by adding social proof, and we're going to add some real customers' reviews to the product page. In fact, we are using the exact methods I'm going to share with you in this video on our dropshipping stores in order to get a higher conversion rate and make more sales. Okay, so we're going to start by visiting the product page that we would like to import to our store. So I'm going to use this Aliexpress product page and I'm going to click on the red Add button. And the Importify extension will be open up and you can edit the product title, the collection and the pricing. Let's move on to the description tab. And you can see that by default we get the short, very informative description of Aliexpress. If you're going to click on the extended description, we're going to get much more of the description on Aliexpress, which contains high quality images and actually much more information about the product. So if you dropship shirts, for example, you will probably find a sizing chart in the extended description and you can select to import it as well to your product page. In case that the supplier page contains a video and you would like to import the video as well, select the Include Video option. Importing the video is a great way to improve the overall look of your product page and give the customer more information about the product. In case that the product page contains more than one video, you can go to the Video tab and import the video from there. Once you're done setting the description, click on Add to your store. And now click on the View link. And that's the imported product at our store. And here's the extended description. Okay, now let's improve this product page even more. And we're going to do that by adding social proof and we're going to import customer reviews to this product page. In order to import the reviews, we're going to use the Importify integration with the Editorify Reviews app. So make sure that you install Editorify before importing the reviews and then visit the Importify dashboard. Visit the products import list page. Find the product that you would like to import the reviews to, and then click on Get Reviews. You will be automatically redirected back to the supplier page, and Editorify will load all the available customer reviews for this page. Select the reviews you would like to import, and scroll down. Now select the product page you would like to import the reviews to, and click on Import Now. Now click on the View link. So we can see that 10 reviews has been imported. And here are the reviews. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact our support. See you next time.